Hey you guys, so I'm shooting day 3 and day 4 at the same time because I deleted day 3 yesterday. So day 4 affirmation is, I can manage my time better to reach my goals. So I did this one also. It says, trying to manifest the life that you want will require you to buckle down and do some planning. This includes managing your time. It means respecting your time so that you are not overworked or stressed out about reaching your future accomplishments. Consider making space at the end of your day or cutting back on something like watching too much TV. Think about how you can manage your time better. Plan in the following space. So for me, I don't really watch TV now. I be on YouTube a lot, but YouTube University. But I did cut back on television. Like I even cut back on watching my reality TV shows. Now I do still watch them, but when I have my rest day or just I feel like just chill day, I will lay in the bed and Netflix and really chill. But I do, I use Notion also. I have a Notion planner that I use to map out things that I want to have done. I also have a board, a dry erase board on my wall that helps me plan out my top 3 or 5 things I want to do or accomplish that day. But also planning is really important, so that's why I use Notion for that. And cut back on a lot of things, even just going out. So sometimes I feel like my girlfriends want to go out, and I do want to go out, but I have goals that I want to complete, and I don't say not go out at all, but for me, I just cut back on certain things. So let me see what I wrote on here that I'm don't mind sharing. So television, I cut out going out so much. I know I was never always going out a lot, but I did cut back out on certain things because I do have goals that I want to accomplish, and I'm learning new skills that requires me. I mean, I spend most of my time in my office, working, learning skills on YouTube University, and I'm just not looking at people doing vlogs or things like that, but just things that help me become a better person, helping me with my skills and everything like that. And also learning to, do my own YouTube channel. So I spend majority of my time doing that. But managing your time, and one thing I'm gonna put on there that I did put my vision board by managing my time management is going to bed early. I always go to bed like midnight, 1 o'clock, sometimes 2 o'clock in the morning, and knowing I have to be up at 6:30, 6 in the morning to get ready for work. So I started maybe like the end of December, the middle of December, before we got out of Christmas break, because I'm a teacher, and I started to go to bed 10:30. Woke up on time, no problem, instead of being up that late. So now we off for 2 weeks. So I am up all night, but we go back in a few days. So I'm putting myself back on that schedule, managing my time better. And I also wrote out things now, so when I come home from work, before I pick my kids up from school, I'm gonna have a list of things that I wanna do. Because one thing I was doing was just waking up in the morning and just coming in my office, doing whatever work. It was really important, or somebody, a paid customer, wanted me to do anything, I did that first, obviously. But if I didn't have any orders to do for my business, I just got on my computer and just started working on anything. And I didn't manage my time. And sometimes I would be stuck on one thing for hours, or and forgot to do something else. So that's one thing I'm working on. It's a weekly, daily, and monthly goal and planner, especially daily planner, and my top 3 things that I want to accomplish each day, whether it's 30 minutes to read, an hour to learn new skill, 15-minute workout at home, those things like that. So definitely planning better. So again, the affirmation is, I can manage my time better to reach my goals. What ways can help you manage your time better? How would you manage your time to reach your goals? So I know I have a lot of goals I want to reach, yearly, monthly, weekly, even daily goals, and I'm going to make sure that I don't waste my time, because even like I turn my phone on do not disturb at 10 o'clock every day. From 10 to 7, my phone is on do not disturb. Only important people will get through, which are my children and my grandmother, unless you call me within 15 minutes back to back. I turn off my notifications so I can't hear it. I mean, if I see it, I usually turn my phone over. Also when I'm working, so I won't get distracted. And of course television. So my main goal is really to write things down, my daily goals down. I want to get complete and just time it out so I won't feel like I'm wasting my time. So again, that was day 4 affirmation. I can manage my time better to reach my goals. So see you for day 5.